Hey, what's going on, my friend? This is Kurt Tasche, the real ninja marketer with KurtTasche.com, and welcome to my Launchdio review. Now, Launchdio is a brand new software that takes any idea and it turns it into a sellable product, and it does that with just one sentence. So, no complicated prompting or anything like that. Now, today we're going to talk about the product. We'll go to the sales page and go over the benefits. We'll also go to the members area for a tour. Then I'll be talking about the bonus that I'm offering you when you pick up your copy of Launchdio through my link today. Now, on that bonus page, you're going to have custom bonuses made by me as well as additional bonuses that I've added. And I'm also going to talk to you about how you can actually get everything in the entire funnel at one huge bundle discount. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we are on the sales page for Launchdio. And as it says here, it says you can turn any idea into a profitable product and start selling today. So KDP books, t-shirt designs, brand kits, digital downloads. Describe what you want, get the finished product. So no prompting, no design skills, no figuring anything out. And I'm not gonna spend all my time on the sales page here. You can actually do that by clicking the link in the description to go to my bonus page, and then on that page you'll see a link to the sales page, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and log into the members area, and then we're gonna play a short video that explains what this can do for you. Then we'll go to my bonuses where we're going to talk about all the bonuses that you're getting when you pick up your copy through my link, and also how you can actually get the entire funnel at a huge bundle discount, and also how you can get some additional bonuses when you get the bundle deal as opposed to getting the front end product. Okay, so we go ahead and log in, and once you log in, you'll come to your dashboard. And on the side here, we have everything in each section. We have our kits, our print on demand, custom orders, listings and SEO, book builder, etc., etc. So basically, the kits are right here. You give your AI tools, your audio, branding, character generation, etc. You have a print on demand module where you can actually create your designs here and then have it automatically go to your provider. And they have all you do is add your API for either Printify, Printful, or Gelato, and it will automatically send your work over to your print-on-demand provider. Custom orders, listings, SEO, a book builder. Okay, you can create a book in here. It says create your first KDP-ready activity book to get started, and that's again, everything's simple, one sentence uh, instructions, no major prompts, anything like that. Video shorts, okay, we have a product studio, social media creator, etc., etc. Now, some of these you may not have access to if you decide to only get the front end product. When you get everything in the funnel, especially when you get the bundle deal, you'll get it at a huge discount. Plus, you'll get everything. I have the whole package. So when you get the bundle deal, you'll get everything you see here. Okay. So now let's go ahead. I'm going to play a short video that explains exactly what Launchdio can do for you. Then we're going to go to my bonus page. We'll talk about the bonuses and then also how you can actually get everything at a huge bundle discount, plus additional bonuses on top of that. Okay, so let's get into it.
Look, people are making real money right now with AI-generated content. KDP books, print on demand, YouTube shorts, Etsy shops. You've probably seen the videos. You know it works. So why aren't you doing it yet? Here's what happens. You sit down to try it, and immediately you hit walls. The tools are confusing. The prompting is a skill you don't have. You spend 3 hours and end up with something that looks off. And then you think, maybe this isn't for me. That's not true. The methods work. That's not the problem. The problem is you're trying to do it the hard way. Think about what's actually involved. You need to learn prompting, and that takes months. You're switching between 5 different tools. You're downloading, uploading, reprompting, starting over. And the worst part? You watch some expert do it on YouTube and it looks easy. Then you try the exact same thing and yours doesn't look like his. And you don't know why. That gap? That's the problem Launchdio solves. So here's what we built. You tell it what you want to sell. A children's drawing book, a t-shirt design, a brand kit, whatever. It builds the thing you sell. No prompting, no design skills, no learning curve. You describe it like you're talking to a friend. A cute goldfish for a kid's drawing book. A cat eating ramen for a t-shirt. And it handles the rest. That's it. That's the whole pitch. Now let me show you what's already out there, because this isn't theory. If you look at Amazon right now, you'll find Learn to Draw books, simple step-by-step drawing pages, and some of these publishers, according to publicly available sales trackers, are moving hundreds of copies a day. We're talking about books anyone could make with the right tool. On Fiverr, you'll find freelancers doing book cover design with cues backed up, 1458 orders deep, and they're not charging $10. These are premium services. On YouTube, there are channels posting AI transformation shorts that, according to Social Blade, have racked up hundreds of millions of views in a single month. That's publicly available data anyone can check. On Etsy, there are shops selling AI-generated custom portraits, anime style, Pixar style, and publicly listed stores show thousands of sales in under a year. And in print on demand, you can see the listings yourself. Some of these simple AI designs are on products selling across Amazon, Etsy, eBay simultaneously. These are all publicly available listings, third-party results, not promises, just what people are already doing with this type of content. Launchdio AI comes with 10 kits. Each one matches a method that's working right now. Draw Pro Academy for drawing books, Hidden World Builder for scavenger hunts, Merchmaker Pro for print on demand, Timeshift Creator for viral shorts, StyleForge for digital portraits, Covercraft, Brandbox, Lead Reel, Client Motion, Swap Shop. 10 methods, 10 kits, one platform. Plus, every kit has AI magic built in. You describe what you want in plain English. It handles the prompting. You never touch a prompt. You just see the output. Now, that's the starting point. And honestly, for a lot of people, that's enough to get going. But let me show you the full picture because some of you are going to want this. Beyond the 10 core kits, there's a pro bundle that opens up everything. 15 additional power tools, an image upscaler, background remover, video editor, voiceover tool, thumbnail maker, lighting fixer. These aren't separate apps. They plug right into what you're already doing. One client job that used to be $50 becomes $200. Same conversation. Just more to offer. A full agency command center. Your branding, your domain, branded intake forms, client management. Your clients never see Launchdio. They see you. They see a professional operation. That's the difference between charging freelancer rates and agency rates. Plus a book builder, shorts maker, print-on-demand module, custom orders, the full business infrastructure. 25 kits total, 10 times the credits, and a system that doesn't just help you make things, it helps you run the business around it. So here's how this works, and I'm going to make it really simple. You've got two options. Scroll down and you'll see both. Option 1, Launchdio Core, 10 kits, AI magic. Everything you need to start making and selling AI content today. Great starting point, real tool, real results. Option 2, the Pro Bundle, 25 kits, all the business tools, agency command center, the whole system. There's no wrong answer here. If you just want to get started and see what happens, Core is perfect. If you already know you want to go all in and build something real, Pro Bundle is the move. Both come with launch pricing, both come with a 14-day guarantee. Try it. If it's not for you, email us, full refund, done. You've seen what people are already doing with this stuff. The methods work, the tools are built. The only question is, are you going to do it the hard way or the easy way? Pick the one that fits, click the button, and let's go. Let me walk you through 10 methods that people are using right now to make real money with AI-generated content. And I'm talking $700 a day, $2,000 a day, and in some cases over $3,000 per day. I'm not going to waste your time, so let's jump straight into it. The first method is Learn to Draw books, self-published on Amazon KDP. These are simple step-by-step drawing pages that break popular pictures into basic shapes kids can follow, and they sell surprisingly well. For example, one publisher launched just 3 books, and based on publicly available Amazon sales trackers, those 3 books combined are pulling in an estimated $700 to over $800 in sales per day. Now, you could create these manually using AI tools like Gemini or Midjourney if you know how to prompt them. But that's exactly what Draw Pro Academy was built to handle for you. Method 2, Scavenger Hunt and Hidden Object Books. These are pages packed with objects for kids to spot and find, and they're wildly popular on Amazon. One publisher has over 30 books, and some of their titles are moving 5,000 to over 9,000 copies per month. You could technically build these with AI image generators if you've mastered the prompting, but Hidden World Builder gives you the whole workflow in one place. Method 3, book cover design. Every self-published book needs a cover, and people are paying premium prices for them. On Fiverr, there are design agencies with 14 orders in the queue at an average of $220 per gig. That's over $2,500 in their pipeline right now. AI tools like Gemini can generate amazing book covers, but you need to know what to ask for. Covercraft Studio handles the prompting and layout for you. Method 4, brand identity kits. Logos, favicons, color palettes, and 3D mockups. This is big on Fiverr right now. One agency has 58 orders in the queue at $150 each. That's over $8,000 in pending work. You could use AI to create these pieces individually if you know the right prompts, but Brandbox Pro generates the entire kit in one shot. Method 5, AI animated time-lapse videos on YouTube. These are the trending before and after transformation shorts you've probably seen in your feed. One channel posted a video just 9 days ago and it already has over 59 million views. According to Social Blade, that channel has had 300 million views in the past 30 days alone. Based on typical YouTube Shorts RPM rates, that could be over $60,000 for the month. You could make these manually by combining AI image generators with animation tools, but TimeShift Creator streamlines the entire creation process. Method 6, using the same AI animations, but on Instagram for lead generation. People are posting these renovation time lapses as reels. One account has a post with 4.8 million views from just a month ago. They're collecting phone numbers from people interested in luxury renovations and selling them as leads. This is a real business model. Lead Reel Machine helps you create these engagement-driving visuals that attract leads in any niche. Method 7, running a specialized animation agency. The key here is niching down. Instead of a general service, you pick a specific customer. For example, one Fiverr agency specializes in animating Spotify covers for musicians, a very specific niche. And it works. They've got steady orders coming in. Client Motion. Studio gives you the tools to create professional animations for client work. Method 8, print on demand. This one is huge. People are creating AI-generated designs and selling them on t-shirts, mugs, and posters across Amazon, Etsy, eBay, and Shopify. The numbers are real. One cat ramen t-shirt design on Amazon has had over 4,000 sales in a single month, which comes out to anywhere from $79,000 to over $99,000 in sales. That's $2,500 to $3,000 a day from one design. You upload your design to a print-on-demand service like Printify, they print and ship it, you keep the profit. You could create these designs with AI tools manually, but Merchmaker Pro handles the design generation optimized specifically for printable products. Method 9, custom print-on-demand products. These are personalized items where customers send you their photos and you turn them into something creative. Custom t-shirts, pet portraits as kings and queens, personalized artwork. One custom t-shirt listing on Etsy had 259 sales in just 24 hours. That's roughly $600–700 in a single day. AI tools can swap faces and transform photos, but you need to know the techniques. StyleForge gives you the workflow to create these custom transformations efficiently. And Method 10, custom digital printable downloads. Right now, anime-style portraits and Pixar-inspired transformations are especially popular. One Etsy store that came up with its own unique AI pet portrait niche, dogs and cats as hockey players, chefs, astronauts, has had over 8,800 sales in less than a year. The key insight here is creativity, finding niches that other people aren't targeting yet. SwapShop Studio helps you do exactly that, turning customer photos into creative digital products in any style. So there you have it. 10 methods that real people are using right now to make money with AI-generated content. Learn to draw books, scavenger hunts, book covers, brand kits, viral shorts, lead generation, animation agencies, print-on-demand, custom portraits, and digital downloads. And every single one of these methods has a dedicated kit inside Launchdio AI with AI magic built in, so you never have to learn prompting. You just describe what you want, and the kit builds it for you. Click the button below to get instant access. Launch pricing won't last, and there's a 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free.
All right, so let's talk about the bonuses that I'm going to be giving you when you pick up your copy today. So, first of all, Launchdio is going to be launching on the 22nd of March at 11 o'clock Eastern. There's going to be a pre-launch webinar at 10 o'clock in the morning, an hour before. So make sure you get on that. Now, when you click the link down below in the description and go to the bonus page, if you go here and click any of these buttons here before 10 a.m. on the 22nd, you can register for the webinar. After 11 o'clock, it's going to revert to the actual sales page. So you want to make sure you get on the webinar to learn all about the software. Okay. Now, I have some exclusive bonuses that I put together for you, as well as have added some additional bonuses as well. So the custom bonuses that I've created for you for this launch is my prompt pro toolkit for $97. That's a $97 value, by the way. You're gonna get my Design Made Easy guidebook. It's a $67 value. You're gonna get my quick start checklist. It's a $37 value. and you're going to get my product feedback swipe file at $57 value. Again, click the link in the description to read of all these bonuses. If I spent time reading about each single one, each one on its own, this video will be an hour long. Okay, so you're also going to get access to some high value software, and there's two ways to get this. There's two actual levels of bonus, I should say, with the software. First of all, if you decide to get the front end product, you're only going to be getting the front end of each of these software bonuses. So, for example, if you decide to get the front end version of Launchdio, you will get the front end version of Speedler. And again, click down below in the description to learn about this software. I've actually added links to the actual sales pages here, so you can actually read them yourself and check out the software. For example, if we go to Speedler, the front end, we're going to open up the sales page. We're going to pause this video here. You can learn all about the Speedler software, and I've actually added links to all the upgrades as well. Now, here's the thing: if you pick up the front end only, you're going to get the front end of Speedler, and then these other bonuses that we'll talk about in a second. When you get the bundle deal of Launchdio, you will get all the upgrades that I've listed as well. So the upgrades, including the front end, that's a $298 value just with Speedler on its own. Okay, so you get Launchdio, the bundle deal, you get all that, all the bonuses I've added already, and then you're going to get Speedler's, the full funnel of Speedler. Okay, when you get the bundle deal, you're going to get the full bundle of Slink Seam. You'll get the full bundle of one-page commission. Now, again, if you decide to get just the front end product, you will still get. So if you decide to get the front end of Launchdio, you will still get all of these other bonuses the custom bonuses, okay? And you will get the front end product of Speedler, Link Seam, and one-page commissions. When you get the bundle deal of Launchdio, you will get all of this, plus you'll get the full bundles of Speedler, Link Seam, and one-page commissions. Now, if you get the front end of Launchdio, and even if you get all the upgrades, all the OTOs like that, to get the full bundle bonuses, you have to get the bundle deal of Launchdio. Okay, like for example, if you just pick up Launchdio front end, you get like one or two OTOs. You're not going to qualify for the full bundle bonuses, if that makes any sense. So, to get all the value, which means to unlock everything Launchdio can do, to get all the bonuses plus the full bundled bonuses, you need to pick up the bundle deal of Launchdio. Okay, so to do that, you simply come on the bonus page. You go down where it says click here to secure the bundle and your bonuses. You click that button. That takes you to the bundle sales page. You pick up all of that, and then you get access to the full bundle of bonuses that are added. So just be sure to click that button link down below. Go to my bonus page, click on the bundle deal to get that full link and to get the full set of bonuses for Launchdio. All right, so don't forget to pick up Launchdio via the link down below. Make sure you click that link. That's going to go to my bonus page, and you'll be able to get all those bonuses when you pick up your copy. And also remember that you can actually get the entire funnel, okay, without going through all the upsells. Get everything in one shot with their bundle deal. So with that, I want to thank you very much for watching my Launchdio review.